What's going on, guys? Dysfunctional Garage here, and today we're going to talk about this. Why do I use it? Why do we use it? And how I'm going to install it and why I'm installing it. So first of all, this is a battery terminal quick disconnect. They've got two different types. The older style was actually like a lever, kind of like a breaker that actually connects. It's a bar and whatnot. Then you have this style, which is a turn knob style, which is the style I have opted for, which is more common. This one is from Nightlight. I use a lot of their rocker switches in the past. No issues out of this company. So I have trusted them with this. It's relatively, Nightlight was I think 28-ish bucks. I mean, you can go on Summit Racing and get them as expensive. I think I've seen them up to $80. This is allegedly rated up to 300 amps. I will not be pushing that. I only think I'll be running 120 amps total, if that, all at once. So this can handle it. Now, why would you want to run these? Well, in the world of off-roading and drag racing, or any racing in general, this is used to cut power to the battery, which will cut power to everything else. So in my application, I'm going to be using this for the Alpha 12 by SSV Works. Although it's off, it's technically on. It's waiting for a command to turn on, so it's drawing a little power. Recently, I have had a bad battery go bad, or a good battery go bad, I should say, with the dark side, no pun intended there. And come to find out it's because this thing is constantly drawing power. And come to find out, I didn't know I had a dead battery or a dead cell battery. I've been riding with it for a year. Can't figure out why my power has been an issue, which ties into my previous video anyhow. So yeah, this is going to permanently shut off power to that and all the accessories that are tied to it. So let's jump in and I'll show you where I'm gonna put this. So you may see that I have something new on this machine. I did not bother doing a video because it's stupid simple to install. I got real harnesses and not the Click 6 anymore. And again, I'm doing this in the same time because this is exactly where I'm going to put my terminal disconnect. I will be drilling a hole right into here, as you can see, and then the terminals will poke through on the backside. Now, when doing this, they even tell you as well, you want to make sure you're connecting the negative side of things. So this is my negative cable for the module up there. And by just simply pressing on it, it does not turn on. And then when I connect this back to the battery, it will turn on. So I know this is the cable to it. Then I will take a short jumper cable and go from here to there, negative terminal. And in theory, it should work. Now I cheated and have already sized up the hole. You're going to need a 2 1/8 hole saw. So, as you can see, this is relatively damn close to the size. So I already had to put the bit in, but yes. Worst case scenario, I may have to trim it up just a hair, but that should fit perfectly into here. So I'm going to now try my best to find center, drill a hole, and not chew up wires. Oh, gotta love it. What did I say about trying not to cut that wire? Well, just did that. So I actually just got done inspecting the wire, and just a couple threads are severed, nothing too major. So we're gonna rewrap that in duct tape, or I should say electrical tape, and then just carry on like nothing happened. We got our patchwork done up under there, and we got that on. So it's currently off. As you can see, nothing happens. Rotate it, turn it. There we go. Well, hopefully you learned something about a battery disconnect and what we use those for. If not, please like, subscribe. If you did, please like and subscribe. And if you don't do that, well, I'm going to find you on the trail, okay? And we'll have a chat. Till next time, stay trashy and feral.